The real pain point for the shipping industry at the moment is the variance of data everywhere. So you have, especially when it comes to spare parts management, you have variant standard operating procedures on different vessels, across different companies, across different locales globally. And it's also a very difficult environment down there. So when engineers just grab a part and consume it, they don't always track it. So what we're trying to provide with the SparesCNX solution is essentially a one-stop shop that makes it easy for the engineers on board to very accurately manage their spare parts. So their job is easier, and the data being filtered back up to the procurement departments and the C-suite is more accurate. So essentially, this problem of inaccurate data is the reason why there's so many inefficiencies in shipping. And the reason there's so much inaccurate data is because it's such a difficult environment on board. So we're really trying to deploy our solution with initially the engineer's day-to-day job in mind, but then also how do we provide insights and analytics to procurement and allow them to more proactively manage the cadence of consumption that's happening for the parts on board. And then finally, we bring in the supplier ecosystem, which is a very large component of this world. You have maybe 50 or 60,000 suppliers globally of hundreds of thousands, millions of parts. And also these parts have different versions. They have the version from '98, they have the version from 2006. So you've got an enormous tapestry of variants. And what we're essentially trying to do is tie the procurement department, the engineers on board, and the suppliers into one coherent mesh through our platform.